Most people get this wrong. They assume Credigy is just a simple payday advance or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that Credigy combines early wage access installment options and budgeting tools in one platform. Used responsibly, it can help you manage short-term cash flow without falling into high-interest debt. Here's how Credigy works. The app allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often in just a few hours. Eligible purchases can be split into smaller installments over several weeks. Instead of traditional interest, Credigy charges a flat, predictable fee per advance or split, which makes it easier to budget. Credigy also includes dashboards, reminders, and notifications to help you track spending and upcoming payments. These features help reduce late fees and encourage responsible use of the platform. The downside, overusing Credigy can be costly. Frequent advances or missed payments add up quickly, and heavy reliance may hide deeper financial problems. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances you can repay on time. 2. Enable repayment reminders. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependency. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. If your income is inconsistent or repayment discipline is weak, Credigy could cost more than it saves. In conclusion, Credigy in 2026 is a practical tool, but only when used wisely. Plan repayments, track fees, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and practical money tips.